They wouldn't even know.
What?
They wouldn't even know I'm recording.
Look as if you're fiddling with it.
Huh? Were you worried?
Yeah. Oh, look at that big
What?
heron gull.
Oh, yeah, look at him. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Yeah. They're getting an audience now as well. Maybe they are famous. Perhaps they're Cliff Richard's backing band or something. What do you reckon?
What are you doing now?
Hmm?
Not filming me, are you?
Yeah.
Lovely, Robert.
I'll put it on Facebook for Rita later so she can have a laugh. Especially these groovy singers. Look at her, look.
Is it duet record sound as well?
Yeah. I can turn the sound off there. She's giving it some in the hat, look.
No, I ain't going to
Look, look at her, look. She's doing the old wavy hand things there. They got to be on dope or something or other, aren't they? Huh? They got to be on dope or something or other, aren't they? Yeah? Go up there and stand there and sing with them, that'd be really funny.
Stop it.
I can't help it. That was too good an opportunity to miss. I wish I could zoom in on it, on the one in the hat.
What?
I wish I could zoom in on the one in the hat. Give us another chorus. I'll tell you what, if they turned up behind me when I was fishing in the morning and I'd slept all night, I'd fucking kill them. I'd have a cast out.
Anyway,
Yeah.
there we go.
Oh, yeah, okay. Bye-bye, choir.